Hey guys, Chaotic Queen here, and today I'll be fixing fudge brownies. What you're gonna need for this, you're gonna need Hershey's Cocoa unsweetened cocoa powder. You're gonna need a cup of that. Then you're gonna need some light brown sugar. If you got this kind, you can use that. And then all-purpose flour, 1 cup of it. So we're gonna go ahead and start dumping these in here. Put this 1 cup flour and then 1 cup of light brown sugar. I'll throw that in there. Then we're going to put the 1 cup of white sugar. Also need 1/4 cup of that as well. We're going to get 1 cup of cocoa powder. Doesn't want to come out. Okay. So we got 1 cup of that. And then we're going to need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm going to throw that in there. One, 2. And we're going to need 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Bring it out. Alright, just 1 tablespoon of that. You're going to need 4 eggs as well, and some chocolate chip morsels, and salt. I'm going to put the salt in there next. It's going to be 3/4 teaspoons of salt, but I don't have a 3/4 measure, so you can use a 1/4 teaspoon and a 1/2 teaspoon. It'll equal up to a 3/4 teaspoon. Okay. Alright. So far, so good. Now we're gonna throw our egg in there. Alright, make sure I have everything. Alright, we're good. Now we just have to add the morsels once I get all this blended up. We're going to mix it. Okay, not too hard. I hate how the cocoa powder's flying everywhere. We had it. Alright. I want to add some milk in here. Look at that milk. This is coffee milk, but slowly. Just a dab of the milk. Alright, so that's what it turns out to look like. And then I'll throw the chocolate chips in there now. That's what I freaking forgot to add, the butter. I knew I was missing something. Whoops. In a cup, melted and ready to go. I just forgot to throw it in there. Now these are going to be cake-like brownies. If you don't want them to be all cakey, don't blend the flour and cocoa powder together, because that's when it becomes like air pockets start to form in the batter like it's doing right now. But I don't want mine to be cakey, so. Blend that up. Just one. Right. Take a paper towel. 9 by 13 pan. That's what this looks like. Go ahead and set this to 350. Alright. Now, that's in there. Just gonna spread it out evenly. Alright, so the oven is done preheating, so we're gonna go ahead and stick this brownie mixture into the oven. I'm gonna let that cook for about 18 minutes. So let's go ahead and set the timer. Oop. Oh, no. Okay, this thing is like stupid. Okay. Well, we're gonna wait till that's done and we're gonna see what it looks like, and I'll be back with the results. Hey guys, so the brownies just got finished and they turned out beautifully. This is what they look like. Very nice and cakey, just the way I like it. Very soft. I love it. Now it's time for the taste test. I brought a fork. I can't talk, excuse me. I brought a fork, but I just ended up using my hands anyway. I like it. I like it a lot. Very good. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video of me cooking brownies, and if you have anything you'd like to see me cook next, let me know down in the description below, and my links and stuff to follow me on Twitch or subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. But my links will be down in the description. And peace guys, love you all, bye.